Okay, so there's a fog. Very natural, and I'm in my own palace. I'm gonna say that, but it's like really beautiful. There's nobody here. Yeah, and I took out my hair. So yeah, I guess post some videos. I should probably bring out my music stuff out here so I can make music. The wind's coming! Cover your ears! Ah! It's like a wave of wind. Yeah. I don't know, I feel like doing like a acapella or whatever. And then watching some videos and meditating. So I guess I'm just gonna do that in here because my ears are like freezing. But I don't care because it feels great being out here. Oh wow. A hawk to take lead. Interesting. Oh, and I saw a swan. It's so big and beautiful and white and just calm and peaceful. Okay. So here it goes. Okay. Feel just like a lady. Okay. I hear. Feel just like a weight is lifted. How can I repay you? Help me understand. Currency is full of tears. I can afford. Fight of your life is not the cost. Time will reveal, yeah. All along, you're the one who's losing. 'Cause I go insane, crazy sometimes, trying to keep you from losing your mind. Open your eyes, see what's in front of your face. Save me my fist full of tears. You can make it disappear, girl. All you got to do is just raise up, face up, straight up. And I don't know the rest of the lyrics. See, like, the covers always end up being weird because I don't really know I know the song, but I don't know the song because I'd be like singing my own type of lyrics, so it's like, okay. And then another song that I was probably singing when I was walking up here is Sleeping with a Broken Heart, but I don't remember the lyrics. Have you ever tried sleeping with a broken heart? Or you could try sleeping in my bed. On me, love me, touch me. Even at the bottom of the sea, I can still feel inside my head. Telling me, touch me, feel me. And all the time you're telling me lies. Yeah, so tonight I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. Tonight I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. I'm gonna hold on to the times that we had tonight. I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. Anyone should have told you right from the start it's about to fall apart. It's better than hold on to a broken dream than just hold on to love. And I'll find a way to make it. Don't hold on too tight. I'll make it without you tonight. Gonna find a way to make it. I hope that I'm not being bit by spiders on this gravel. I don't know, like, I am confused on what's really to sing. or to even vlog about. Like, this is a very interesting vlog. I'm loving the natural hair. Like, people really be looking at me since I've been walking, like, stopping the cars, like, yeah, it's me. It's me. Yeah. Oh. You know, sometimes you just got to open up and see what the possibility could be. I already have my other thing, so I really can, like, go. I have my other phone. I don't know where I put it. Oh no. Oh, it's right here. I was about to sing a little song, a little songy song, a little songy song. A little song that I just made up. You feel me? A song that I made up. Oh, hey. Jaybird, baby, I can all be up pillow. Take me, touch me, love me. Ooh, ooh, that truck, good job. It's getting. Where the sun go, though? Where the sun go? The sun is nowhere to be found. I'm probably going to smoke now. Some marijuana. And the sun's out. To the marijuana. Here's something that I thought of. It's a song that I made. Not made, but this is just, I don't even know. Because, but then again, it's you keep calling my phone. Okay, I can't even. I need to be in the right mindset. So I'm just gonna listen to like what comes. I mean, I should go ahead and do like tarot reads.
We've been making cars for America for 25 years.
I would literally watch her tarot reads all the time.
All right, hello.
It's Virgy Virgs. Oh, yeah, I like watching them.
7 minutes in heaven here. Virgo dealing with a Scorpio. Virgo dealing with a Scorpio, okay? All my Virgo friends, welcome to your April 16th through 30th reading for 2020. Blessings to you all.
Don't even talk shit about my blunt because really, like, I was not even supposed to be smoking.
royalmystic.com. I'll be more than happy to assist you once you schedule your reading. Many blessings to you all. Let's get right into it. Thank you, angels, archangels, divine pure white light, divine spirits, spirit guides, gods and goddesses. Thank you so much for being present here to allow all Virgos, sun, moon, and rising to have the information they seek to assist them in remaining on their highest possible spiritual path. We thank you so much, divine, for these blessings and your beautiful messages, and we receive them in the love and light they are intended. We thank you for your divine guidance as always, and welcome this blessed reading. Thank you for this energy. Here we go, Virgo. Well, that's nice for a rod. Very stable. Wonderful foundational energy, good communication. 3 of Rods, moving forward. 2 of Pentacles, staying focused.
Stay focused. Okay, so yeah, this is probably gonna be like a vlog or something. A vlog covering.